Here's a 2020 Toyota Corolla. Get an all-access pass to life in a car that doesn't just get you there, it gets you. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: smart device navigation, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual telescoping steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection notes the front seats are comfortable and Toyota has lengthened their cushions. Despite that, the Corolla will seat 4 6-footers without front seat occupants having to slide their seats far forward. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.